Double-end tenoners are successfully used for trimming and sizing single panels as well as profiling in automatic production lines too. Double-end tenoners work simultaneously on both panel sides. During the material is transported along the processing motors by means of special chain conveyors. We hold double-end tenor is suitable for board-type furniture, hot truck door, etc. Double-end tenor has frequency control of motor speed, high-precision conveyor chain rolling guide feed system. Double-end tenor has active on-pressure strip with electric lift. Double-end tenor double linear guide, 4-screw motor adjustable wide.